To a bummy?
Us.
It broke up your house?
Yeah.
Almost be homeless. Amount of people I want to get gas. Line up to get gas. Man. A pump that we passed like a while ago don't got no gas. A place out here mash up. Scotches mash up. This little plaza not bad. Look like some glass balls over there. Police station must have a still stand, that's Ricky. Oh, police station roof come off too. Drum tumble down. Police roof mash up too. Post down. Man, the place a mash up. But with the board house not happen. What you gonna say? If your place not build up the standards, ain't have no insurance. My husband are coming now. You turn up in line for about 40 minutes. But about 7:40 when you go up there. And about 8:20. So about 40 minutes in the line early. So more people come. More people come. Line to get gas. And you can't get it in your car, you have to go kind of in line to get it. What you say, honey? You get your boy. Line for a gas station. Also, you can't drive vehicle up there. You have to go with your jug and get gas at the jug. Line all the way behind you. So it's a joking thing. Gas station across the street. Park. You can't even drive your car up there. Drugs and gas. Like it's cars. All the way outside of the road. They get drugs and gas. Drugs and gas. Them over there look solid. Don't look like too much. I really like one over there.